Hey guys, I just got the new release of Open Season, the very first one in 3D. This is real 3D, it's not those paper glasses. You really need those 3D glasses. As you can see here, it is the real 3D. If you haven't seen this animation movie, this is the one with Martin Lawrence and Ashton Kutcher. It's really good, it's really funny. This one is a lot better than the previous release. And if you want a 3D disc as a reference, this one is the best. It's one of the best. I mean, if you can buy this and if you can buy Avatar, you can show it off. This is the back side. Oh, one thing you should know, it is 3D, but it also plays 2D. I mean, you're not stuck with 3D. You can either watch the 3D or the 2D. See, when you put the disc and click play movie, it's going to ask you between 2D and 3D. So let's open this and let me show you inside. The new 3Ds are transparent. It's not blue anymore. It's a white clear case. The same thing with the Monsters Inc. and Monster House. This is the previous ones. And like I said, it's just one disc, but when you put it in, it's going to ask you if you want to watch in 3D or 2D. And if you watch in 3D, obviously you need a 3D Blu-ray player, a compatible TV, and glasses. Let me show you the audio and video for this one. The good thing about these new clear cases is because you can see it's kind of three-dimensional, but it's just because it has the flyer, the booklet inside. If you take them out, then it's just going to be showing the disc. That's what makes it three-dimensional. But it's exactly the same as the blue ones.